In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record over a slide and a couple of things that you need to keep in mind when you are recording. So at the bottom of each slide in your presentation, you see this red circle with the microphone. And when you press and hold it, it will record your voice. So I'm going to show you in my fourth slide, I already did a recording. And you'll see that the time on the right-hand side automatically changes to fit the amount of recording that I have there. So I'm going to play this slide for you and show you how that works. A saddlebred horse is a breed of riding horse that has several easy riding gaits and it has great vigor and style. This horse was created in the United States. Okay, so did you notice how the United States got cut off at the end? So one of the things that you want to do, make sure when you're recording is to say the final syllable and sound of whatever words you're saying. Wait 1 second and then release this button. So as long as you are holding this, your mouse, if you click on it and hold the mouse button down, it will record for you. And you can do that on any of the slides. Now, sometimes you have words on the slide and it might take longer to read them. And so you want to come down here to the right-hand side and change the time. And you do that by clicking on that box and you'll see that this bar opens and there's a scroll button. And as you click and drag, it increases the length of how long this slide would show on the screen. So now it's showing for 8 seconds. Okay, and an alternative would be to say what you have typed there. So you could always read it. So you could always press this and say, I love animals. My favorite animal is the horse. I used to show horses when I was younger. And then you notice that I left it held pressed down a little bit longer so that the entire recording will show. Let me play that for you. I love animals. My favorite animal is the horse. I used to show horses when I was younger. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is how to share your project. So you have these buttons in the middle, and in the very center of the buttons is the share. And when you click on that, you can press publish, and publishing it will give you a link. So when you click publish and you click create link, it takes Adobe Spark a couple of minutes to generate that link because it's saving your video and compressing it so that you can email it to somebody. And so that's one of the ways that you would share your project. So now you have your shareable link, and it also has publishing options. But if you are going to share this on Canvas, what you would have to do is click the copy button, and then you would have to click over to Canvas and upload it. If you want to email it to somebody, you would press the email button. And then it would automatically open your email and you would type the person's name that you want to send it to. And it automatically puts that link in the body of your email and then you send. The second way that you can share your publication is to invite somebody. And when you invite someone, they have the chance to edit your project. So this is a great tool to use if you are working with a partner on the same video. And so you would have to type your friend's email address in that box and click invite. And so those are the final ways that you can share your project, or you can also click download and download it to your computer if you are working from home. That way you would always have it saved to your computer. And that's it for that tutorial.